Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to re-emphasize what my brother Abdullah has mentioned. This was a very joyous project that we have undertaken. Yesterday, when we went to this particular community, which is the fourth community that is taking Shahada, we were all very excited just by sheerly looking at them and the enthusiasm and the desire for them to take Shahada. That was really joyous for all of us. The key issue that has been raised is first our gratitude with our donors who have been supporting us. Our realization is that for us to hold this community, taking Shahada is one thing, but to hold them and make them become practicing Muslims, we need to stick with them. And the key thing there is essentially really, given the terrain and the harsh condition, is to have a borehole. That is what I would re-emphasize and welcome you. Our gratitude goes to you, and we are praying to all those donors who have been supporting us that they are rewarded here and hereafter. Thank you very much.